Hello friends, today I will teach you coded inequalities. In IBPS paper 2013 there were 5 questions from this topic. So today I will teach you the basics of this topic. Coded inequalities is there would be a function A and a function B, and it would be represented, a relation between them would be represented by a code. So code here is a star. Now suppose this star means equal to, then A is equal to B. Star means greater than, A is greater than B. If star means less than, then A is less than B. So these are coded inequalities. So this code could be anything, and the equality could be equal to, greater than, less than, greater than equal to, and less than equal to. The questions we will get in exam would be between A and B. So I would mean to say that it is not about two variables. उसमें दो वेरिएबल नहीं होंगे बल्कि 4-5 वेरिएबल होंगे, तो उनमें हमें रिलेशन निकालना है उन 4-5 वेरिएबल में. तो अब कोई भी दो वेरिएबल रिलेट करने के लिए उनके बीच में लिंक होना चाहिए. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इफ A is greater than B and B is greater than C, this implies A is greater than C. तो इनके बीच का लिंक क्या है? B. इसको हम लिख सकते हैं A is greater than B, B is greater than C. This implies A is greater than C. दूसरा, इस तरह से चार रिलेशनशिप हो सकते हैं. पहला ये हो गया. दूसरा, A is greater than equal to B, B is greater than C. तीसरा, A is less than equal to, A is greater than B, B is greater than equal to C. चौथा, A is greater than equal to B, B is greater than equal to C. इस केस में A is greater than equal to B and C. Suppose A is 1 and we assume the equal to condition. So say B is also 1. Then in this case 1 and C should be greater than this 1. So we can assume it as 2, 3, anything. So A would be, I'm sorry, in this case say A is equal to 2. A is equal to 2. 2 is greater than equal to 2. Now B would also be 2, but this 2 should be greater than C, so C would be 1. So hence this A is greater than the C. So the result we would get, or the conclusion we would get here would also be the same. A is greater than C. Similarly in this case A is greater than C. Let us see. If A is greater than B, say A is 2, B is 1, then B is greater than equal to C. So this could be either 0 or 1. So A would, this 2 would always be greater than this 1. Next case, A is greater than equal to B and B is greater than equal to C. Then A is greater than equal to C. Say A is 1, then B can be equal to this, so it could also be 1. If this is 1, then this could also be 1. Then this could be equal to this, or second case could be 1 is greater than equal to, say 0.5, and 0.5 is greater than equal to, say 0. So this one is always greater than this 0. So A is either greater than C or A is equal to C. Now there are 2-3 important things which we need to know. First, how, if a relation between 3 variables or 4 variables is given, how we could conclude between 2 variables. So how A and C are connected if B is the connector, and we need to have a connector to get the relationship. If this, instead of a B, here is D, then we cannot get any relationship. So this is the concept and the theory behind this. Let us see how the questions have appeared in the IBPS exam, and from there we could take on. So first of all, IBPS 2013 question, which says A star B, A ampersand B means A is not smaller than B. This means A is either greater than equal to B. Second, A hash B, it says A is neither small nor equal to B. A is neither small nor equal to B. So A would be greater than B. Third is A $B. It means A is equal to B. It means A is neither greater nor smaller than B, which means A is equal to B. A percentage B. This implies A is not greater than B. So A could be less than or equal to B. Last one is A star B. This means A is neither greater than nor equal to B. So A is less than B. So this is what is given in the question. Now there are statement and conclusion. So this is what is given. Now we would pick statements and then conclusion. So statement 1 says, statement 1, V $Y, Y represents Z, Z percentage X, X hash T. So we can write it as dollar is equal to V equal to Y, Y greater than Z, Z percentage is less than X, less than equal to X, X and hash is greater than 1. Or we can write V equals to Y now there are three conclusion givens: A, T, Z, B, X, Y, C, Z star Y. So which one of them would be true? So first of all we have to see this. So T is greater than Z, X is greater than Y and Z is less than Y. Let me check once again. T hash B Z, T is greater than Z, X hash Y, X is greater than Y, Z star Y, A star B is A is less than B, Z is less than Y. So we have to see from this relationship which of these are true. So T is greater than Z. This is Z, this is T. So Z is less than X and T is also less than X. So suppose X is 2, then T could be 1 and Z could be 2 or 1. So in this case T is greater than Z. No, it is wrong, because Z could be 2 and T could be 1. So first relationship is wrong. Second relationship, X is greater than Y. So X is greater than Y. Where is X? X is greater than Y. Y. So this is the relationship we need to see. So y could be 1, z could be 1, this could also be 1. So it could also be equal to, so this is wrong. 1 is equal to 1. Z is less than y. So z is greater than equal to, y is greater than equal to z. So z, this is also wrong. So all the three statements given are wrong. So the right option would be option 1, none follows. So the right option would be none follows. So I'll repeat how it is done. We have to see t and z. T and z is this. The connecting relationship is, connecting variable is x. So we will take these three. We have assumed x to be 2. Now z is less than equal to x. So it could be 1, it could be 2. T is less than 2. So it could be 1, it could be 0. But 1 is greater than 2. So we can see there are possibilities where t is greater than z, but there are also possibilities where t is equal to z. So this doesn't hold true. Similarly for x and y, we'll take these three. X and y could be equal, so this also is wrong. Third is directly given from the statement above. So in third we need not do much. Thank you so much, friends. I'll continue more questions in the next video. Keep watching, keep studying. Thank you so much.